Hey y'all, so I had a problem with my turbo YXZ 1000. Blew it up at Dumont after about 10 hours of use. It was just rebuilt, and it had all the new internals, the GYTR 2019 spec turbo, 19 internals. So I don't think anything with the actual components were bad. Yamaha is pretty reliable. I sell dirt bike engine assemblies for them, and that's how I got this deal. So what I'm talking about is complete factory engines that are ready to go. And what's cool is I have them for all the big turbo 1000s. They're definitely a little pricey, but after pricing out what it would cost to build each one correctly, brand new cylinder head, valves, the way you'd want to do it so you don't have any issues in the future. The only problem is you have a mechanical error issue. There's 1,000 components. All it takes is a phone call from your local mechanic to forget to do something perfect. That's my only concern. Now, there is great mechanics out there, so, some people it's worth it. But still, time and just overall cost to replace these things properly is well over $8,000. And then, how long is it going to take to get everything done and installed in the car? So what I've seen here is I can get this complete factory engine, just like you see here. This is the YXZ 1000. I can get these for $6,500, plus or minus if you need to do shipping or certain things, but that's what it would cost. Not too bad. So I'm going to get one of these personally. I am getting a 500 horsepower YXZ turbo built, looks like by Packard, and I'm really excited for that. But I'm going to have this as a spare for when, my dirt biking revving person self does something dumb again. So this is hopefully a means to an end. If I blow it up again, I'll have a stock one, and we'll just go with that. But here's that one. And also for the Can-Am, they have the turbo one ready to go. Now these are closer to 7, but they're brand new complete assemblies. So I didn't think you could get these. I got a lot of no's. This is what I wanted to do originally, just get a whole engine. But then I talked to Packard and got excited about wheeling everywhere. So, I'm quite excited to do that. I've never thought I could be able to do that, but they're going to hook me up with some really cool car. Anyways, back to these engines. Yeah, so for $7,000, I can get you a complete Polaris RZR Turbo S 2020 engine, 2020 Can-Am turbo engine, and then this is the 2019 Yamaha. Same as the 2020, but I'm sure I can get 2020s pretty soon, but not yet. So just sharing that a little bit of info. Some people it may help, and then there's going to be people like this where it pisses them off. So this is just an example of what things can cost. It is a lot of money, but what's your time worth? You forget to put one part in, it blows up, you got to do it all again. I just seen how much work it takes to actually fix one of these. It's a lot of man hours. So hats off to people that can do it right. I know there's a lot of good companies out there doing it. Just personally, I like to be efficient and take out the variables. So this is just my choice. All right, guys. Thank you so much.